Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, black color, red color, blue color, green color and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and U is yellow color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. It's again use yellow color and draw G. G for God, G for glass. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. It's neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and U is black color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, again use black color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and U is red color. S. S for sun, S for sheep. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, again use red color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Kids, again use red color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra and Z for zoo. Kids, now you know numbers. And first you know 1 and U is blue color. Two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7. Kids, again use blue color and draw 8. 9. 9 to 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.